Good day, everybody, wherever you are in the world. I hope you're having a lovely day while I am enjoying my hike. I am at Lord Howe Island doing the Mount Gower hike. It's a 10-kilometer walk and about 875 meter high to get to the top. The sound is beautiful, just listening to the sound as the sun peeks through the leaves. You have to watch your steps as it's a very rocky surface and could be quite slippery as well. And this is the view when you get to the top. There's lots of corals where I was doing quite a bit of snorkeling. So if you like to see what's in the water, please subscribe to my channel and
so we have two environments,
enjoy
the super
my
fragile
encounter
here,
with nature.
the coral reef, which is changing.
Have a good day. Bye.
And the oceanic mist forest that we're visiting on the summit of Gower today, which is changing. So we can sort of weave that into one story about how little islands like Lord Howe with fragile systems are faring and the forecast for the future. It's all pretty interesting stuff. So, you know, if you're interested in that sort of stuff, ask questions. We're all happy to chat. We've been chatting very briefly about the structure of the island with regard to the management